Hi children, today I am going to explain the exercise problems. The exercise 8.1. The first problem is the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Take on quadrilateral ABCD. So what is the angles ratio given? 3:5:9:13. Given angles ratio is 3:5:9:13. This is the ratio. Let the angles be like 3x, 5x, 9x, 13x. Like let the angles be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. Take angle A is 3x, B is 5x, C is 9x and D is 13x. By angle sum property, we know the sum of the all angles is 360 degrees. By angle property, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D is 360 degrees. So angle A is 3x. So 3x plus angle B is 5x plus angle C 9x, angle D is 13x is 360 degrees. Add all 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 13, 30. So 30x is equal to 360. From this x is equal to 360 by 30. 0 0 you cancel. 3 1 jar, 3 12 jar. So x is equal to 12. Find all the angles. Find A. Angle A is 3x. X is 12. So 3 into 12. That is 36 degrees. Next angle B. That is 5x. 5 into 12. 60 degrees. Next angle C. That is 9x. 9 into 12. 9 12 are 108 degrees. Last angle D. That is 13x. So 13 into 12. So 156 degrees. Therefore angle A is 36 degrees, angle B 16, angle C 108 and angle D 156 degrees. These are the angles of a quadrilateral ABCD. See next problem. It is to if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Take ABCD is one parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and AC, BD are the diagonals. So these two are also equal. Then prove that ABCD is rectangle. How prove ABCD is a rectangle? ABCD is a parallelogram. A parallelogram in which one of the angle is 90 degrees, then that is a rectangle. So prove that any one of the angle is 90 degrees. That's enough. See, RPP is ABCD is a rectangle. Proof. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. We know in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So OA is equal to OC, OA is equal to OC, and OB is equal to OD. Now also diagonals equal given. OA is equal to OC. So OA is half of AC. OA is equal to AC by 2, and OB is half of BD. OB is equal to BD by 2. But AC is equal to BD given. So OA is AC by 2 and OB is BD by 2. But AC is equal to BD. From 1 and 2, we can write OA is equal to OB. We can write OA is equal to OB. So this length is equal to this length. These two are equal. So in triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB. What are the opposite angles? OA opposite angle is this is, and OB is this. These two angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. So angle OAB is equal to angle OBC. That is some x. Similarly, in triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC. Why? Already OA is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. So OB also equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. What are the opposite angles? What are these two angles? This is x, this is x. OA is equal to OB. Equal sides opposite angles also equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. Let it be some y. So OB is equal to OC, then angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, some y. Next, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, 180 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, 180 degrees. Here angle A is x plus angle B is x plus y, plus angle C is y, equal to 180 degrees. X plus y plus y. 2 times of x plus 2 times of y. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degrees. From this 2 common, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. From this x plus y equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. X plus y, nothing but angle ABC. ABC is equal to 90 degrees. So already ABCD is a parallelogram. One of the angle is 90 degrees. So ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. The next problem. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Take one quadrilateral ABCD in that the diagonals or bisect each other at right angles. See what is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That is, so ACBD intersect at a point O. So OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD and AC perpendicular to BD. That is given. OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and AC perpendicular to BD. That is given. What do you have to prove? ABCD is a rhombus. That is RPP. ABC is a rhombus. See proof. What is ABCD? Is a quadrilateral and diagonals bisect each other. What is that quadrilateral? A quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other. That is called a parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other. It is a parallelogram. Already discussed in the properties of parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which diagonals bisect each other is called a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. So AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides are equal. Now observe the triangles AOB and DOA. Triangle AOB and triangle DOA. AOB, DOA. What are equal? AB. OB is equal to OD. Already given. OB is equal to OD. Next. What is this angle? Right bisect each other. This angle is equal to this angle, 90 degrees. Angle AOB. AOB is equal to angle DOA, 90 degrees. Why? Diagonals perpendicular bisect. So angle DOA. And one more condition, OA is equal to OA. This is the common side. OA is equal to OA. So side, angle, side. By SAL's congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOA by SAL's rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal. So AB is equal to CD. This is one. Similarly, we can prove AB is equal to BC also by proving these two are congruent triangles. Similarly, we can write AB also equal to BC. Similarly, AB is equal to BC. This is 2. And BC also equal to CD. And CD also equal to AD. CD is equal to AD. From 1, 2, 3 and 4 we can write all sides are equal. From 1, 2, 3 and 4 we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So basically ABCD is a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram all sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. ABCD is a parallelogram and all sides are equal. ABCD is parallelogram and all sides AB is equal, BC is equal, CD is equal, DA. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is rhombus. Hence proved.